I'm about to bust.
So this is the IT-1 and is basically just a very flat T-62. And also it has one special feature. If you go hull down in this thing, it is almost invincible. So let's take it into battle and see how we do. Basically invincible, right? Yeah, T-55, please don't drive in front of me. Where is everyone? I'm blind. Ah, bushes, of course. And you wonder why so many people hate bushes? This isn't good. Oh, I'm sorry. What? Okay. And it's really annoying that when I'm recording, I have a pretty bad stutter. I have to constantly keep editing around that and like cutting out the bits where I'm stuttering. And it just adds another hour to editing, which I really don't have to waste. Ugh. That was nasty. Well, I can see it's tie track. Is it? Look, no, it's not. How did... Man. How did you not hear me? I could see his tie tracks and he moved away over to there. How'd that not take him out? Typical AH-1G. Got 3 guys though. Poor guy. He can't. I'm sorry. That felt cruel. 5 kills. I'm typically a pretty bad player, so for me that's quite good. This is not good. Shit. Get out! Run away! Run away! Run away! Oh, they died! They got taken out! So stupid. And what can he do about me, really? It already kind of looks like on the map that we've won this game, to be honest. Ooh. I think that guy just get taken out. I'm not sure. I don't know what the hell that was. No, I hear an engine. They're definitely still around. I even overpressured them too. Poor guy. This map has a very good position, if you can survive getting to it though, which is over here. If you can sit down behind these rocks, you become almost invincible. We made it to the stupidly powerful spot. That Puma. I don't know how he's alive over there. Oh, there's one. That was nasty. That felt just a little bit cool. And what can you do about me? I'm hold down here. Oh, you smartass. Just gotta wiggle that ADG. So that is the IT-1. For the few battles that I could actually do well, you can see just how strong this thing is, hull down, but it can feel pretty situational at times. And even though you might think it is because it's an ATGM carrier, this thing really struggles at range as well. Its optics just don't quite have enough zoom to be able to fight effectively at range, but close in, as long as you've got some cover, this thing is incredibly strong.